Stuck in view jail on TikTok? Let's break down how to get your videos back to the For You page and start getting views again. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, check your content for violations. First, make sure your content doesn't violate TikTok's community guidelines. If your video got flagged for something inappropriate, it could be why it's not getting views. Review your video for any issues. Step 2, repost content. If you think it's a mistake, try reposting the video with slight changes like a new title or hashtag. This can help refresh its reach and bypass any shadow ban or view jail restrictions. Step 3, post consistently and engage. Stay active. Post consistently and engage with your followers. Respond to comments, like other videos, and interact with creators. TikTok rewards engagement and consistency, so the more you're active, the better your reach. Step 4, avoid spamming or excessive hashtags. Don't overdo it with hashtags or post too many videos in a short time. Spamming can trigger TikTok's algorithm to limit your reach. Keep things natural and avoid repetitive content that could be flagged as spam. Step 5, appeal the decision. If you believe you're being unfairly penalized, you can appeal the restriction. Go to settings greater than report a problem and explain your issue to TikTok support. They might lift the restriction if it's an error. That's how to get out of view jail on TikTok. Check for violations, post consistently, and avoid spamming. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more TikTok tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.